Imagine launching a grocery store today. Your competitors are spending millions on TV commercials, Facebook ads, Google ads, billboards, celebrity endorsements. Everywhere customers look, another brand is fighting for their attention. Now imagine making a completely different decision. No television commercials, no radio ads, almost no digital advertising. Yet somehow, your stores stay packed. Customers willingly wait in long checkout lines, and thousands of people talk about your products online for free. It sounds impossible, but that's exactly how Trader Joe's built one of America's most loyal customer bases. So the question is, how can a company grow without advertising? The answer isn't that Trader Joe's ignores marketing, it's that they changed what marketing means. For decades, businesses have followed the same formula. If you want more customers, spend more money getting noticed. That's why companies invest billions every year in advertising, because attention is expensive. But attention has become something else too. It's crowded. Think about how many ads you've seen today. Probably hundreds, maybe thousands. Most of them disappeared from your memory within seconds. Trader Joe's looked at this reality and asked a different question. Instead of buying attention, what if customers wanted to talk about us on their own? That single question changed everything. Walk into a Trader Joe's and you'll notice something different almost immediately. Handwritten signs, friendly employees, Hawaiian shirts, unique product names, small stores, limited selections. Nothing feels like a typical supermarket, and that's completely intentional. Most companies separate marketing from the customer experience. Advertising brings people in, then the store takes over. Trader Joe's flipped that idea upside down. The shopping experience became the marketing. If customers enjoy visiting, they tell friends. If they discover unusual products, they share them online. If the experience feels memorable, the advertising happens naturally. Instead of paying for attention, Trader Joe's earns conversations. Here's another strange decision. A typical supermarket carries tens of thousands of products. Trader Joe's carries only a fraction of that. Why? Because fewer products make every item more important. Instead of overwhelming customers with endless choices, Trader Joe's carefully selects products it believes people will genuinely enjoy. Many are exclusive to Trader Joe's. That means customers can't simply buy the same item somewhere else. Every visit feels like discovering something new. Shopping becomes exploration, not routine. And when people discover something surprising, human nature kicks in. We tell other people. Think about the last time someone recommended a restaurant, or a coffee shop, or a product they genuinely loved. You probably trusted them more than an advertisement. That's because recommendations feel personal, authentic, honest. Trader Joe's built its entire business around this idea. The goal isn't to convince everyone. The goal is to delight enough people that they do the convincing for you. Every conversation becomes marketing. Every recommendation becomes advertising. Every excited customer becomes part of the sales team. And unlike paid advertising, people actually believe it. Most businesses think marketing begins before someone becomes a customer. Trader Joe's believes marketing begins after, because a satisfied customer doesn't just make another purchase, they bring someone else. That's why Trader Joe's spends less time trying to interrupt people and more time creating experiences worth talking about. The company understands something every business should remember. People rarely recommend advertisements. They recommend experiences. So, does Trader Joe's really avoid advertising? Not exactly. It simply invests somewhere else. Instead of buying attention, it earns it. And in a world where consumers trust each other more than commercials, that may be the smartest marketing strategy of all. If you enjoy documentaries that uncover the hidden psychology behind business, branding, and the world's most successful companies, subscribe to Brand Locally. Every week, we explore another business mystery hiding in plain sight.